Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lois. This is Lois Braid. On this channel we teach you step-by-step tutorial on how to make different styles of hair. But today we are going to learn how to fix extension on your natural hair. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post new videos. Your extension, you split it into two. Use your index finger put your index finger at the middle of the attachment, and then using your right hand index finger to put it like this. Now let's go over this again. With your extension, let's comb it again. Don't worry, if you don't understand it now, watch over and over again, you will understand it. Split the extension into two. Putting your right hand index finger at the middle. Now automatically you're splitting the extension into three. Let's go over it again. You split your attachment into two equal parts. Using your right hand index finger to put at the middle. And then flip your hand. Automatically you're splitting the extension into three. Alright, now let's learn how to fix it on the hair. Now you use your hand, the same hand you're holding attachment it, use it to hold the hair. Grab it very tight, but if you're doing it on a human hair, don't grab it too tight so you don't injure the person. Now first off, this one, you take it to your left using your index finger to split the hair into two. Now let's go over this again. Hold the hair tight. Then hold the hair with your left hand. Then use your index finger to split the natural hair into two, pushing the one by the left up. Just like that. It's just like the same thing we did on the natural hair in the first video, but this time around you're adding extension to it, and that is how you go. And as you're doing it, make sure that the person's hair is right under the extension. This is it. So we'll go over it again. Split your extension into two. You put your index finger at the middle, automatically dividing it into three equal parts. So now you grab the hair. When you're making the hair, pay more attention to the loose. So grab it tight, because if it's loose, the hair won't last. This is it. Now we are going to try it for the last time. how you fix extension on your natural hair. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Also like, share, and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post new videos. And don't forget to leave your comment under the comment section. I promise to reply. See you in my next video. Bye.